Hello. Today we're talking about how to declutter your home in the Rio Grande Valley. Well, that's where I live, but really you can apply this anywhere. These are simple steps that actually work for busy families. If your home feels overwhelming and you don't even know where to start, this video is going to change everything for you. Because the truth is, you don't need more motivation, more bins, or more time. You need a simple plan that actually works for your real life. Now, today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to declutter your home here in the Rio Grande Valley and anywhere, even if you're busy, overwhelmed, or you feel stuck. And if you stay with me by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and where to start. I'm Carrie Fullerton with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I work here in the Rio Grande Valley, Harlingen, McAllen, Brownsville, all the areas at the bottom tip of Texas. And I help busy families and professionals declutter their faith, their home, and their business. And I do organizing, senior downsizing, moving. There's a gamut of things that I service the valley with. Now, today we're going to simplify decluttering because most people are making this way harder than it needs to be. Let me say this clearly. You are not the problem. Your home is not the problem. The system you've been trying to use is the problem. It's the systems, especially here where life is busy, families are active, and homes are full of real life. Now, here's what I see with almost every client. They try to do the whole house at once. They get stuck making decisions. They feel guilty letting things go, and they run out of energy halfway through. Now, that's not just here in the Rio Grande Valley. I think that's just about anywhere, but this just happens to be where I am. And then they stop, not because they're lazy, but because there's real overwhelm. Decluttering is not about cleaning, it's about all the decisions we have to make, all the decisions we make if we have children, all the decisions we make as a wife, as a single person, as an employee, as a work at home mom, a stay at home mom, all the things in life. Those are all decisions that we have to make, and it's a lot. So let me give you a simple system that works. Step one, always start small. I know on all the TV programs, they tell you to tear everything out at once. Do not start with the whole house. Start with one drawer, one shelf, one small area. Two, remove the easy stuff, the stuff that you don't have to think about, the stuff that you're already ready to let go of, the trash, the broken items, the things you already know you do not want. No thinking, just action. Now, then number three, group like things together. You know, like we learned on Sesame Street, what goes together. One of these things are not like the other. All right, this is where clarity comes in. When you see how much you actually have, like 20 black pairs of black slacks, and you maybe only need 7. When you see what you actually have, decisions become a little bit simpler. Now, this is where most people quit. So here's what to do. Ask yourself some questions. Do I use this? Do I love this? Does this support my life right now? Now, I think the key is not do I like this, but do I really love this? Does this look the best in this space? Does this look the best on my body? If the answer is no, it's okay to let it go. And let me say this for someone who needs to hear it. You are not throwing away your memories. You are making space for the way you're living your life right now. Now, living here in the Rio Grande Valley, for me, this is what I see often. And it may resonate with you where you are as well. Seasonal clutter that never gets rotated, garage overflow from storage bins, kitchen overload from bulk shopping. Now, so here's what works here. Keep only what you actually use. Create space before buying more. Make your home work for your current season. And when I say season, you may be in the little itty bitty season where you have little babies. You may be in the teenage season, maybe the senior living or the empty nest season, the college age kids season. There may be various seasons. Decluttering is step 1, but systems are what keeps your home organized. And in systems, we focus on easy access, simple storage, and real life use, not Pinterest perfect. If you were able to keep the Pinterest perfect magazine look, you wouldn't need someone to come in and help you declutter and organize. Your house is perfect already. But if it's hard to put away, it won't stay organized. It's got to be as easy to put away as it is to leave out or to put down. Now, if your home feels overwhelming right now, start small. 1 drawer, 1 shelf, 1 step. This is just a little review for those that need it repeated again. You don't have to do everything today, but you can start. Now, if you live here in the Rio Grande Valley and you're ready to finally get your home under control and you want a little support, I would love to help you. But if you live outside of the Rio Grande Valley, I can still help you. It just will need to be virtual, or for the extra cost it takes to fly out and book a hotel, I'm willing to do that as well. And if this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more organizing help, and share this with someone who needs it. All right, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.